Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and you're watching TriTech AB. Today we're diving into a phone that's got everyone talking even before its official debut. We're getting our first look at the highly anticipated OnePlus Nord CE5. Now, while it's not officially here yet, leaks and rumors have painted a pretty clear picture. Design-wise, expect a sleek, flat frame aesthetic with a clean back. The big design change we're seeing is in the camera module, rumored to be a vertical iPhone-like layout with two prominent rings. We're hearing about stunning marble mist white and black infinity black color options, giving it a truly premium feel. Let's move to the display because this is where the Nord CE5 truly shines. It's rumored to pack a beautiful 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a sharp 1080 by 2412 pixel resolution. But the real star here is the 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support, promising incredibly smooth visuals and vibrant lifelike colors. Whether you're gaming, scrolling through your TriTech AB feed, or binge watching, this display is going to be a treat for your eyes. Under the hood, the Nord CE5 is poised to be a performance powerhouse in the mid-range segment. It's expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 4mm chipset, an octa-core processor designed for robust performance. Paired with a generous 8GB of RAM and 256GB of lightning-fast UFS 4.0 storage, this phone should handle everything you throw at it with ease. And for all you content creators and data hoarders following TriTech AB, yes, there's a micro SD XC card slot for expandable storage. Now this is a game changer. The OnePlus Nord CE5 is rumored to feature a massive 7100 mAh Li-ion battery. That's a significant leap, promising exceptional battery life that could easily last you up to 2.5 days on a single charge. And when you do need to juice up, it's expected to support 80-watt wired fast charging, getting you from 1% to 100% in a blazing fast 59 minutes. Plus, for all you mobile gamers watching TriTech AB, keep an eye out for bypass charging, which lets you power the phone directly from the charger to reduce heat and extend battery health during intense sessions. For photography enthusiasts, the Nord CE5 is looking very promising. It's tipped to feature a dual rear camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, likely the Sony Light 600. This means sharper, more stable photos, even in challenging conditions. What's more, it's rumored to borrow flagship features like raw HDR and real tone processing from the OnePlus 13 series, promising stunning clarity and accurate colors.
You'll also get an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and for your selfies, a 16-megapixel front camera. Both the main and selfie cameras are expected to record 4K video at 30 FPS, perfect for capturing your TriTech AB-worthy moments. So when can you get your hands on this exciting device? The OnePlus Nord CE5 is officially part of the OnePlus Summer Launch event on July 8, 2025 at 2 p.m. IST. Sales in India are expected to kick off on July 12, 2025 through Amazon.in, the OnePlus India online store, and offline stores. Pricing is rumored to be incredibly competitive, starting around the 25,000 rupees mark. The OnePlus Nord CE5 is shaping up to be a true mid-range contender, offering a massive battery, powerful performance, and impressive camera features. What are your thoughts on these specs? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TriTech AB for more in-depth tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.